Let me tell you what's happened. You know, there's this New York district attorney, the New York County District Attorney, Cy Vance. He filed a subpoena to get information, including, guess what? What a shock. Tax returns from the President of the United States. Why do they want tax returns? Because everybody's trying to get the President's tax returns. The Congress, the DAs, they tried to do that in California where you couldn't even get on the ballot until you produce your tax returns, which we said was extra constitutional, unconstitutional. And by the way, the court completely agreed with us in that case. Well, we got a decision this morning from a judge in New York, 75 pages, saying that the president's case is dismissed and the returns have to be produced, among other documents. We immediately took that up to the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit. Why? Because we knew the district court judge was going to rule against us. So the appeal was ready to go. We filed it. Within minutes of it being filed, the following came out. Appellant has filed a motion seeking an order temporarily staying enforcement of a subpoena to his accountant. Because of the unique issues raised by this appeal, it is hereby ordered that a temporary administrative stay is granted pending expedited review by a panel of the court. That's a 3-judge panel of the Second Circuit Court of Appeals. A scheduling order will issue in the ordinary course. Harry, the court there recognizing the unique issues raised by the appeal. These are constitutional issues, and there are very big ones here.
It is clear beyond question that this decision is a big win for the president, particularly coming out of the Second Circuit. The Second Circuit has enjoined a district order enforcing a subpoena with respect to his tax returns. This decision is hugely instrumental and instructive. In essence, the Second Circuit Court of Appeals issued a decision that is consistent with the Constitution, and this decision informs every district attorney in every district in America that they are subject to the United States Constitution.
Yeah. 100%.
In other words, this court is saying there is no license for district attorneys to go on a fishing expedition.
Exactly what I was going to say.
In support of a political agenda.
So this was allowing for what the New York DA was trying to do as a fishing expedition. This court said, no, wait a minute, these are really important issues raised in this case. And stays are not easy to get.
No, they're not. It's an extraordinary remedy. So whenever you go into a court and asking for a stay, you're asking for something extraordinary, and it's amazing that this happens so quickly. Within minutes, and we have this huge 75-page opinion, and within minutes, the Second Court of Appeals granted a stay. So that's something that the ACLJ can be proud about.
I think the whole country can be proud of this. And they look, as Skip just said, the fact of the matter is whether I'm wearing my ACLJ hat or the lawyer for the president's hat, these were major constitutional issues being raised in this, separation of powers among other things. Cece, again, I want to underscore here how difficult it is to get stays. I mean, that's not something that's easy. You're a litigator.
What Skip said, that it happened so quickly, tells you that they didn't even have to read a 75-page opinion before they knew this is wrong. What they did was wrong before even reading that.